This is a Sony TRV67. It's incredibly heavy than it looks, right? This is the battery that I bought for it. It's so incredibly heavy that it's like absurdly heavy. Just like look at it, it's massive. It's thick compared to the original one. This is the original one. As you can see, it's very thin. Just look at them side by side. Look, just insane. Anyways, this on its own is already heavy. Now let's add this absolute monster of a battery. If it's gonna okay, right? Now we switch it on. Switch to. Anyways, you turn it on. You switch this to camera. You hit that beep. You can see this. It turns on. It says it doesn't have a battery because obviously it doesn't have a battery. I mean a cassette, a tape. Which is this. This is the tape. SF60MP metal particle. This is like absolute high-end tapes of its time. Obviously, now tapes aren't even a thing anymore. SD cards took over. Anyways, look at it. This is my favorite part. Just look at it. Click this. Ta-da! You take the tape, right, and you insert it. Okay. Pop. It takes it. Right now you can see the lens is open. Just come here. Right now it says, look, if you can see, it says there is tape. Now we just open the goddamn LCD screen. You can see from it. I have no idea. I don't want to show you guys my room because it's a complete mess, but it works. You can see the viewfinder works. Yep, see, this is me, hi. Obviously, this is incredibly heavier. Like the tape also adds some weight. I mean, it's not that heavy, but the tape, I mean, the camera is super heavy. Like, if you walk around this in your palm like this, you are breaking your wrist. I mean, but I mean, it's an absolute jewel. I love this camera so much. Yes, that was it. So yeah, I forgot to show you guys. Here's some stuff I don't like about it. As you can see, it has night vision. Night shot. Right? You switch it, it goes to infrared. It's infrared. It gives like that ghost busting, ghost hunting vibe. It's absolutely amazing. You see, the thing is like obviously it's supposed to record at night, right? But it lacks. These buttons don't have a light. I mean, I'm sure later models have lights here, but this one doesn't. So you're on your own if you wanna like use the playback in the dark. It's just impossible. But as I said, obviously it has night vision. So that's like my only complaint about this camera. It's just it lacks some lights and playback buttons. Otherwise, it's really good. I wish I can show you guys some footage, but my RCA cables are kind of cooked, So no, okay, so you don't do that. You always want to take off the tape before you turn the camera off. You just switch it to VCR mode, like click eject. Again, you click this. And you take the tape out. And you close it quickly before dust goes in and completely messes up the tape mechanism. I haven't cleaned. I actually got this for $30 from an online website. That person was selling this. It only cost me $30, and it came. Granted, it came only this. I got the battery aftermarket, and I got the tape too. So. But still, I think $30 for this, and it's absolutely clean and working condition. And it also came with its original AC adapter and stuff. So I say it's an absolute steal. I'm glad I have it. It joins my collection. Well, guys, it was fun. It was fun doing this wherever this was with you. Bye. No, this is my heart. It's my okay.